Nice and early today, and it's our last day here at, I've forgotten the bloody place we're at, the crossing. But yeah, last day here, and we're heading into El Questro today, back into the Gibb River, and we're going to spend most of the day out there and have a look around, really. El Questro station. But yeah, we're up really early. It's about 5:30. Beat the sun up. Well, it's just starting to come up on those hills over there. But we're going to chuck everything inside and get out of here. Get on the road. So we've just got here to El Questro and it's busy again, but these are going to be quick videos, I think, because we're heading to the Tanami Desert and want to keep putting videos out sort of on schedule. But we'll see how we go. But yeah, Zebedee Springs. We tried to get here early, but well, it's only open from 7 o'clock to 12 midday, and I mean there's just cars everywhere already. Last time we were here, we got it all to ourselves, didn't we? Yeah. So anyway, we'll go for a walk in there, have a look, and
straight back out.
Probably straight back out. We'll see what we can do. Look at the dust up there.
Right, can you get my shoes out?
Oh, I just cleaned it. Yeah, so that's why it's so busy, I'm guessing. And the fact that, well, the whole of Gibb River's pretty much flat out. People everywhere up here. Got this? Well, we're not going to hang around there, Zebedee Springs. It's just, there's too many people. It's too oversaturated. And everyone seems to just be running around in there. But the springs are beautiful springs. They sit about 28 to 32 degrees all year round, it says on the sign there. It's just lucky we've been here before. We're the only ones in here. But anyway, we're going to move it on and try and get somewhere where there's less people, I guess. So it's pretty lucky we got out of there when we did, as just as we were taking off, a big tour bus pulled up, which is full of people, I guess. And yeah, just a pain really. I think in my mind they'll be ruining that spot. Just the amount of people that are in there, it's a bit out of control. Anyway, where are we off to now? Which one? Amelia Gorge. Which is a bit of a walk, I think, so we'll crack over there and get into it. Well, we're on the Amelia Gorge walk now, which is 2 k's, 3 k's maybe.
3.4.
3.4 k's and a 2.5 hour walk, return walk. And apparently there's freshwater crocodiles in a couple of the pools along here. But pulling up in the car park, even this is starting to get busy as well. I think the whole of El Questro is just going to be flat out, really.
Later, I think later.
starting to get a bit technical now. We've just come up that sort of rock face, but now there's a chain being bolted to the rocks here. How are you going to go with that?
Crawl. I'm full.
I guess hang on to this chain and try not to fall in.
So I'm just going to crawl, I reckon.
So it's a beautiful little pool down there. Well, once you get around that chain, it opens up into that beautiful pool. Absolutely stunning there. Can't see any crocs. See loads of little fish. So this is probably one of the harder climbs we've done, just for the fact that you got to climb from right down there all the way up this face, and it's just a vertical face. I mean, a bit of a pain. We got up there, sort of did a little dodgy around the top there, but hopefully it gets a bit easier. Nah. We're here at Amelia Gorge. Amelia Gorge or Amelia Falls?
Gorge.
Amelia Gorge. And 55-minute walk, so near on an hour. And bloody beautiful spot though. Huge cliffs. But it is a bit of a pain of a walk. Like huge rocks you got to sort of clamber over. How'd you go?
Awful. I'm not looking forward to on the way back.
Yeah. But anyway, this is a stunning spot. I guess we'll have a quick swim and then head back. Well, that's Amelia Gorge done. And that's probably the hardest of the ones, isn't it? 2 hours pretty much it took us, return trip. And yeah, some serious bloody mountain goating to be done there. But the car park's starting to fill right up now, so we're going to have our lunch and head over to Emma Gorge.
Yep.
Emma Gorge, and hopefully it's not as busy as this. We'll see. We're here at Emma Gorge and it's bloody jam-packed, just like everywhere else in this Questro and Gibb River really. I mean, people everywhere. A couple of buses here as well. But how far is this walking, Tosh?
2 hours, I reckon.
Another 2-hour walk. We'll see what we can do. If there's too many people, I think we'll try and rush it. Get out of here. See how we go. So Emma Gorge has got a little resort here. That's what its sort of main thing is, but nice little kitchen area there, bar. And I think all the cabins are over in that general direction down there, sort of away from everything. So it's very green and just lush here. It's a good little spot. And so I'm just going for a quick wee.
Sorry, I didn't realise you.
Well, there's some of the little cabins we were just talking about for the resort. Pretty small, but I think they're just for couples really. They're a beautiful view. You get a little deck and you get a view of the gorge. So far this track's pretty good actually. There's nothing yet. There's little streams down here, just heard then. But check out these views. Bloody incredible. So this one's starting to look a bit overrun as well, which is a real pain because I think last time we came here, yeah, had it pretty much to ourselves again. Anyway, what can you do? This is, I guess this is because of COVID, so Good for people coming to see Australia. Well, Australians getting out to see Australia. Well, it's starting to get really rocky and bumpy, but can't beat that view. It's a bloody ripper. Also, it's just full mountain goat mode. So this is the first small pool, turquoise pool. But we're going to keep going from here. Might have a little swim on the way back. Bloody crystal clear though. And no shortage of people. So it's starting to get really difficult after turquoise pool there. Pretty much goes straight up vertical. But I'm hoping that not many people keep going, but I think they do. We'll see. We've pretty much made it. And what a stunning spot. She's just straight in there. And well, it's hard to do that walk because you're just constantly looking up. Right in between these gorges, bloody beautiful. But let's get to that pool and have a bloody dip because I'm sweating. Oh, that's freezing. Come on. Oh, cold. Unfortunately, I'm the only one that swam out here, so she's just floundering by the shore. She doesn't like getting too deep, but that is a bloody beautiful spot. Have a look at that. We're getting out of there. We're heading back. It's way too busy for us and it's starting to get late because we've got to go sometime this Savo, pick our caravan up and move somewhere a bit closer to Lake Argyle. But I don't think we're going to film much of this getting out of here. This is just people going everywhere and I filmed a fair bit coming in, so we'll see you at the car. Well, that's us for Amelia Gorge. Beautiful little spot, just overrun. This whole El Questro today's sort of been overrun with people, but anyway, we're done for El Questro. Gonna head back to Connemara, pick up the van and get to a little free spot camping near Lake Argyle, hopefully, so it's an easy little day. So we've been told to get into Lake Argyle extremely early, around 7 in the morning, just to get a spot, I guess. I don't know how that works when checkout's usually 10 o'clock. We're gonna get there at 7. But, done our usual trick. Some icy poles and some cold cokes out of the freezer. And we're good for the way back, I guess. Well, that's all us done on the Gibb River Road, El Questro, the lot. We're off there. And yeah, pretty good. I enjoyed that. But it's just loads of people. Too many people on the Gibb, too many people in El Questro. And a bit of a pain, really. I think it's all this COVID stuff. But yeah, really happy with that Gibb River. El Questro, not sure about that. It's a bit touristy now, really touristy. Anyway, let's get out of here. We're all finished up here at this spot. And bloody good little spot, this one. Used as a little home base, but unfortunately, on the wiki camps it says that there's crocs around here. I still haven't seen one. It's a real bugger, but anyway, I've given the caravan a quick little clean with some river water, but the bloody Juica pump just hasn't got the right pressure for it. So I've managed to do the sides, the front and the back, and the solar panels, but you just can't get up the top there. But yeah, we'll have to find a car wash, I guess. But let's get out of here. We're going to head to the main river crossing in Kununurra, Ivan Hoe crossing. We're going to head to there and yeah, cross that. That'll clean the underside of the caravan and the car. We've done it a couple of times in the car, but just give everything a clean up underneath. And then we're going to head to Lake Argyle. There's a little free camp just out of there that we're going to pull up for the night. Well, we got those ribs that have been marinated for just over 24 hours, which are bloody beautiful, smelling awesome, and the last of our chicken on there from the other night. And yeah, we've just pulled up just literally as the sun was going behind the hills over there. But this is our little spot for the night, just outside of Lake Argyle, and pretty much parking bay, which I'm not fussed, so ain't fussed. It's close to Lake Argyle, so it's going to get us in there early and hopefully get a spot, because we booked the bloody one of the tours there, and we don't really want to stay out here. We want to stay in there because it's a beautiful little spot. But anyway, that's going to do us for this video. Sorry it's short and sweet, but I want to try and keep some footage for when we go across the Tanami Desert, because there's a couple of days there we have no signal at all. But anyway guys, cheers, see you on the next one. Thank you.